I'm going to show you guys how to change some brake pads really quick on a Chrysler Town & Country. All you're going to need is a 15mm wrench and then a 13mm socket on a ratchet. And you're going to use the 15 just to hold that bolt. And with the ratchet, we're going to loosen up the 13mm for the brake caliper guide pin. Then pop that out. Take our little screwdriver, pry it open, just like a clam. There we go. One and the other. We're just gonna brake clean this really good. There we go. I usually take the rotor and everything off and clean it really well, but this is just a mobile job for somebody. Take some anti-seize on the clips. Just like that. Also doing this in the rain, which is a good time. You want two opposite pads. Pad with the wear indicator is going to be our inboard pad. So that's going to slide in back here. Then the other one is going to go just right there. Then just apply some more anti-seize to the back of the brake pad. Next, we take our brake caliper tool and just put the brake pad into the caliper and then turn it, press it in to twist the caliper piston all the way back into the caliper to make room for the new brake pads. Once the piston's all the way back, close the caliper and then put that 13mm bolt back in. Get your 15mm wrench again to hold the bottom of the brake caliper guide pin, and then tighten down the bolt with the 13mm socket on your ratchet. There we go. And then you just do the same thing with the other side and you can put the wheel back on.